Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in to another video. As y'all can see, I'm inside the Camaro. So it's about to be an epic day. If I got John Jones out, y'all can tell by the thumbnail, we're about to link up with my own fam or whatever. And she a personal trainer too. Y'all obviously like the trainers. Y'all like the trainers. And like I said, people ask, where am I finding all these people? I know these people because I'm into fitness myself, y'all. I lost a lot of weight, man. If people that been knowing me and been following me, man, I've been doing my thing. 2019, I lost 109 pounds in 180 days in 6 months time. 180 days on the diet, I lost 109 pounds. I did it myself, like for people asking. I set myself up my own diet, man. And it's not my first time losing weight. I had lost 7 to 8 pounds in 6 months back in 2015, 16. But I like I said, I relapsed, man. I stopped going to the gym. Really what happened, when I stopped going to the gym, it just killed everything, and I gained weight back. And man, when I stepped on the scale and I saw the number, the next day I got back right. So that's the deal with that. That's how I'm into that stuff too, man. I'm not just in the car. So I know a lot of trainers, and y'all probably gonna see a lot more trainers, competitors, and all of that. I'm gonna keep the content coming for y'all, man. They're good people. I definitely want y'all to flood her social media. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the screen now, early in the video. So go check her social media out, man. Please go flood her, get her followers up, show love. She a great person. She love cars too. She love cars. She into cars, motorcycles, and all that stuff. She rides motorcycles too. So we're about to go link up with her, go do the ride racks, and then make it happen, man. It's gonna be a good day. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. I apologize about the wind noise. It's very windy out here. It's bad. So look, go ahead and tell everybody the fastest car you ever been in.
Look, I've been in Germany. The fastest car I've ever been in.
Of course. Okay. What's the name, of course? Man, does the car look intimidating?
A little, because you don't underestimate stuff.
Right. So what you expecting?
To go fast.
Alright, okay y'all, so look, we're gonna jump into the ride racks, and then we're gonna get our afterthoughts. Okay y'all, so we tuned in, we're in the car, you familiar with what a trans brake is?
Yes.
Oh, okay, alright. Well yeah, she is, cause actually we were just talking, the fastest car she's been in is some kind of German car, basically. Not a Porsche, we just said it was easier, but she has actually been down the drag strip before in the car, so this gonna be interesting to see how this feels to her, cause I mean every car different.
Right.
But we're gonna launch on the trans brake. Y'all know what's gonna happen. I got the hard tires on it. But still, it's mandatory we do it in every video. We have to do it every video. So we're gonna launch on trans brake, and then we're gonna do a couple of more pulls. Definitely a high gear pull. You're not nervous at all. Yeah.
Excited, more anxious than anything.
Yeah, she was ready to make this happen. This like fam, man. I mean, we've been supposed to make this happen, so. Truck driver about to get the show. Back there. Oh wow. to see. We have more time, see how she do. Oh man, I already knew she was gonna like it, cause like I said, she like cars, man.
This is fun. They're messing up the fun, like they need to move.
I know. Messing up our pools, y'all. Seeing about 9 right now. So it was more than what you expected?
It was. It definitely was.
You coming down the track with me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so all right, look, hold it to that. And
yes.
Go ahead and drop all your social media.
Alcine Extreme Fitness on Instagram, and Alcine Extreme Fitness is my Facebook page as well for my personal training business. And then also I have Alcine Extreme Travel because I do travel agent as well. And then you can always find me as Alcine Marie on Facebook. Oh, and Snapchat, NC's Queen.
Look, she getting it in all the way around, y'all. I'm gonna put everything on the screen. I want y'all to flood her social media. And look, do like y'all always do. Let her know where y'all came from. Y'all came from the video. Show love, comment on the pictures and all that stuff. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. As y'all can see, I'm back at home, back in the little office, about to get it in. Been out and about, even after doing the ride racks, man. I just rode around today and John Jones and stuff, enjoyed the day. Like I said, about to get ready to import the footage and check it out. I know my fam, I know she enjoyed the ride or whatever. I already knew she wasn't gonna just go crazy and all that, cause like I said, she like fast cars, so it was more so getting the experience and all of that, you know, cause she just like fast cars, and I thought it would just be something cool for y'all to see, man. I like bringing different people on the channel, showing y'all and showing them love too. And once again, make sure to flood her social media and show her love and all of that. And it's more content to come, man. I got the big rim build still working. I got my eyes on the G-body too. I actually got my eyes on the G-body, so y'all might see that soon. And hey, we just got some more content coming, some more heat coming, man, more bangers. Y'all see, I'm collaborating with everybody and everybody working, man. Everybody putting good content out on their channels and all of that. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. This is it, and